Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Asfarifai bin Azmi, a mathematics student from USM. We present a subtopic from linear algebra. System of linear equation. How do we solve a system of linear equation using metric and determinant? How do we solve for the value of x and y here? So one way is by solving them using one of the regular technique we have seen, or we can use matrices to solve them. Yes, matrices. To solve the equation using matrices and determinant, we first need to write them in the metric form. So we first write the metric of the coefficient. For the first equation, the coefficient are 2 and minus 1. And for the second, the coefficient are 3 and 2. This is the metric or coefficient of the two variables. And this will be multiplied with a metric which has the column of variable. The variable are x and y. So a metric with the coefficient multiply with a metric with a column of the column variable. And this product is equal to metric with a column of the constant of the right hand side. That will be a 4 and 13. This is the metric form of the above system of equation. Why do we say that is the metric form? We will know why when we multiply with these two matrices. Do you remember multiplication of matrices? To know if two matrices can be multiplied, we need to check their order. The order of the matrix is 2 by 2, and that of this one is 2 by 1. 2 row, 2 column, and 2 row, 1 column. As the second and the third number are the same, these matrices are computable for multiplication. The order of the result matrix will be the first number by the fourth number. It will be 2 by 1. So we multiply the first row of this matrix with the first column of this matrix and write the product here. And then multiply the second row of this matrix with the first column of this matrix and write the product here. What will be the product of these two? It will be the 2x minus y, and the product of these two will be 3x plus 2y. This is the product of these two matrices, and this matrix will be written as is. Now you see why this is the metric form of the system of equation. As these two matrices are equal, we can say that 2x minus y will equal 4 and 3x plus 2y will equal 13 as these two equations. But let's come back to the important point. How does writing it in metric form help us solve the equation? Let's see that on the right hand side. This can be written as a times x is equal to b. We have all this one metric a and this metric x and this metric b. A times x is equal to b. What we interested is in this metric x. That will give us the value of variable x and y. So to get x on the left hand side, we multiply both sides with x inverse. We get the left hand side as inverse times ax and the right hand side as a inverse times b. Now a inverse times a will equal the identity matrix. We get this. And we know that the identity matrix times any matrix will give us that same matrix. So the left hand side will equal matrix x and the right hand side will be a inverse times matrix b. That's how we get matrix x. We multiply a inverse with b. So when we given these two equations, we write in this form. Find the inverse of this matrix and multiply it with this to get matrix x. It will give us the value of variable. Thank you for watching, guys.